Hello viewers, how are you? I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and I pray that Allah Almighty showers His countless blessings on you and your family. So let's start. Our today video topic is stock tank pools, a refreshing trend for summer fun. As the temperature rises and the summer heat becomes more intense, finding a way to cool off and relax becomes a top priority. Enter stock tank pools, a trend that has taken the world by storm. Stock tank pools are an innovative and affordable alternative to traditional swimming pools, offering a refreshing oasis in your own backyard. In this video, we will explore the concept of stock tank pools and present you with a variety of creative ideas to transform your outdoor space into a summer paradise. Stock tank pools are essentially proposed galvanized metal tanks, originally designed to hold water for livestock on farms. These tanks come in various sizes, typically ranging from 8 to 10 feet in diameter and 2 to 4 feet in depth. Their durable construction and affordability have made them a popular choice among homeowners seeking a cost-effective and customizable pool option. Benefit of stock tanks. Benefit of stock tank pools. Number 1. Affordability. Compared to traditional in-ground or above-ground pools, stock tank pools offer a significantly lower price tag. They require minimal installation and construction costs, making them an attractive option for those on a budget. Easy maintenance. Stock tank pools are relatively easy to maintain. They require fewer chemicals and less water compared to larger pools, saving both time and money. Regular cleaning and maintenance can keep your stock tank pool in excellent condition throughout the summer. Portability. One of the greatest advantages of stock tank pool is their portability. Since they are not permanently installed in the ground, you can easily move or disassemble them if needed. This flexibility is ideal for renters or those who frequently relocate. Stock tank pool ideas. Rustic oasis. Embrace the natural charm of the stock tank pool by incorporating rustic elements into your outdoor space. Surround the pool with wooden decking, add potted plants, and install a cascading waterfall or a vintage-inspired outdoor shower. This design creates a tranquil and inviting atmosphere, reminiscent of a hidden retreat. Tropical paradise. Create a tropical paradise right in your backyard by adding lush foliage, palm trees, and vibrant flowers around your stock tank pool. Install a thatched roof or a bamboo umbrella to provide shade, and enhance the ambience with tiki torches and colorful outdoor cushions. This theme is perfect for those seeking a vibrant, exotic poolside experience. Modern minimalism. For a sleek and contemporary look option for a minimalist design, surround the stock tank pool with clean lines, concrete or stone tiles, and minimalist furniture. Incorporate minimalist landscaping elements such as rocks, gravel, and skelets to maintain a cohesive and sophisticated aesthetic. Family fun zone. Stock tank pools are not limited to adults. They can also be a source of endless fun for the entire family. Install a water slide and add floating pool toys, and create a dedicated play area with waterfall, water cannons, or sprinklers. Include comfortable seating options for parents to relax and watch their children enjoy the pool. This design ensures that your stock tank pool becomes the ultimate family entertainment hub. Nighttime oasis. Extend the usability of your stock tank pool by transforming it into a captivating nighttime oasis. Install underwater LED lights that change colors, add string lights, around the pool area and incorporate fire pits or torches to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. This setup allows you to enjoy your stock tank pool even after the sun sets, providing a magical experience. Stock tank pools offer an affordable and versatile option for creating a refreshing outdoor oasis during the summer months. With their durability, easy maintenance, and portability, stock tank pools have become a popular trend in the world of backyard entertainment. Whether you prefer a rustic retreat, a tropical paradise, a modern sanctuary, a family friendly zone, or a nighttime oasis, there are countless ideas to transform your stock tank pool into a personalized heaven. So dive in and embrace the joy of a stock tank pool, making lasting memories with family and friends as you beat the summer heat in style. Thank you for watching.